Picture yourself in the 2010 Toyota Tundra. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, multi-zone AC, locking limited slip differential, stability control, rear-wheel drive, intermittent wipers, traction control, pass-through rear seat, passenger vanity mirror, variable speed intermittent wipers.